Pack's garage here. We're gonna be doing something exciting today. Finally adding the license plates. Usually it's not that exciting, but for this car specifically, I got the license plate relocator, so it's gonna be going right here. First, we're gonna start by popping the hood. Gonna be right here. All right, so after we pop the hood, we have to take this bumper off. We're gonna have all of these clips, removing them with flathead, and hopefully not breaking them because these clips usually break all the time. And another thing that you have to take off would be ball right here, which is just Phillips. So this is what the relocator looks like. It's gonna have two holes on top, and it's gonna have the holes to fit your license plate when you decide which side to put it on, because it can go like that, or it can go like this, which is, I'm assuming that means just right or left. So I personally decided to put it like this. And the reason why is so that I'm not obstructing any of the cooling, any of the lighting, anything with airflow. The next step would be take off the bumper, marking the holes with a Sharpie and installing them. So this is how you do one. I already started with this one. Take your flathead and put it underneath, and you go prying motion like that, where it looks up, and you just pull it up just like this. It's an expanding bolt that pushes the assembly apart, just like that. And that's how you do it. Now we just have to remove all of these, and then for some reason mine does not have Phillips. Mine has actually Torx. Just have to pop all these open, and then get this side and then that side Torx out, and then we're gonna go drilling. I used one of these tools because it's a Torx. Mine turned out to be T25 on both sides. If yours is not a Phillips head, then most likely it's going to be one of these. Okay, now that the bumper is off, don't forget to disconnect your fog lights. I forgot to do that, and they were hanging on it. They have clips in them right here. The back of them, little clip. The 06 to 08 gonna have these little inserts right here. What I did, I just punched them out. I don't use them. Allows me to breathe air. What's gonna happen next is this. I am gonna leave the bumper right here. The reason why is because I have something that is connected to it with a wire. But what I'm gonna be drilling is this part right here. This part right here. To take our relocator, match her up how it was. Yeah, it was like that. Just putting it down. So it's gonna be. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to mark it up, drill it, and then see how I like it and install it. Okay, so what's happening afterwards, I was able to drill 2 holes. Let me see. Yeah, right there. They're not as good as I thought it was gonna be. It was too close to the edge on this side. On this side, I think I'm gonna put these on, put the sandwich plate on, see how it looks. All right, so after you put the bumper back on, don't forget the screw right here, and same thing on the other side. Let's see, where is it? Right there, that screw right there. Both of them from me were Torx. For you, it might be Phillips. Make sure you just go through the gapping. I mean, that scratched a little bit, it's okay. Some of these broke, some of these didn't. I mixed them and matched whichever clips go where, as long as they clip, as long as they hold it. This clip is also the most important. The reason why this clip alone holds this plastic, the grill, and the bumper itself. On the bumper, there's a nipple on this side right here that the bumper part actually hangs onto. It's a rubber piece